You thought it was over.
Sure, you may be verified on Twitter, but are you verified in the eyes of God?
Mr. Johnson, hit the lights. For my business project, I decided to do something.
The snack that smiles back. Okay. Goldfish.
Holy sh! Is Steven here? Present. James. So, dude.
Remember when it first died, September.
Let's flip it! 'Cause I'm under your spell.
Where's the lizard?
Emergency.
Somebody at our prom has been killed. Please help.
Well, calm down. We don't want to panic at the disco.
Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater.
I lose my speed. My speed is gone. How do I get speed? I'm losing.
Is it real?
Alright, we're looking for singers in the crowd. She can sing. Oh my god, no I can't. I've heard her sing. She's great. Come on.
Liar!
See this man? He's a magic man. He's gonna touch this hot fire. Oh man, he's a magic man.
Tomorrow's Sunday, what you doing? Thinking about just wearing this hat, why? Well, you better be going to church. You better be going to church. Hey guys, thanks for watching my new...
Hello everyone. Bill Nye is out on vacation. I am Bill 9.
Can I use the bathroom?
Bush did 9/11. Cheney did 9/11. Oprah did 9/11.
I spilled lipstick in your Valentino bag.
Oh, you spilled lipstick in my Valentino white.
Say it ain't so, I will not go.
No, get those lights off!
Carry me on.
Me and Eric are about to go vandalize some stuff.
Hi, sure about this?
Yeah man, just go, hurry.
What are you doing in my swamp? What? I want a church girl that go to church and read her Bible.
I want a Jewish girl that go to temple
And read her Torah.
It's a little Mitt Romney.
Raisins, brah.
Here's our star. Our stuff is cheap. We are the wholesale kings.
Hey man, don't eat that candy. Why? Because it rots your teeth? No, because I want it.
Jason Derulo. Jason Derulo. Here.
If I had a penny for every time I wasn't cool, I'd have no pennies.
I gotta say what's on my mind.
There's a mushroom on your shirt.
Oh, I'm a failure.
Hello, my name is Elder Price, and I would like to share with
When your favorite TV show is on.
You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you. You're not that handsome.
Wow, thanks.
Saturday.
Get the wheels on the bus!
Way to go, Paul!
Alright, perfect. And are you part of our Super Saver Shoppers Club? No, I'm not. Oh.
Excuse you? Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss.
I can't do this. I'm leaving you. Not if I leave you first. This is your house.
She's mine. That's my girlfriend. She's spoken for.
Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you?
Hey guys, my name is Alex. My favorite animal is probably Jurassic Park. I love homework and I love hitting the nay-nay.
You doing okay over there, Otis?
Hi, my name is Chelsea. What's your favorite dinner food?
A red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight.
You guys, get out of the way! It's the Lord!
I hit the body. I hit it well, but there's like blood in my truck. And what? Are you filming right now? Are you filming, dude? Yo, Chris, are you gonna? Dude, come on! Don't film me, man!
I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride.
So are you into guys with big hearts? No, I'm more into bad boys. Well, then today's your lucky day,
You make me want one more night, irreplaceable.
I just googled what slay means. What the heck? I do not kill people. I promise I do not slay.
Oh my god. Girl, come see this. They got a ramen noodle exhibit. You know that's your favorite. Be careful, children. That's a lot of sodium.
I was thinking I'd do some magic. You? Magic Charles. It says talent show.
I'd like to solve the puzzle.
All right, go ahead.
Yep.
That's it, yeah.
I don't trust something like that.
I'm ready to buy right now.
Open that button.
I will not buy if you want me to get naked. I don't feel...
Blocked and reported.